It is essential to have the right tools, and in the middle of a trail, there is no tool more invaluable than a reliable off-road jack. There are many products available to choose off-road jack, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best off-road jack from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. High Lift Jack. The High Lift HL848 is what most people refer to as a farmer bumper jack. Although not a common sight in most tool arsenals these days, they are quite popular in the off-roading community due to their specific design and superior versatility. For example, the HL484 comes with a winch connector clamp, so you can rescue yourself or a fellow off-roader stuck somewhere on the trail. That's not something you would find on other jacks. High Lift, probably the most well-known manufacturer of off-road-oriented jacks, offers a diverse range of alloy steel farm jacks, but I chose the 48 model as it is the perfect size to deal with most trucks. Instead of delicate and expensive to repair hydraulic systems, the HL484 employs a simplistic mechanical linkage that does all the heavy lifting. What we like about it? Compact and portable. Designed with off-road in mind. Can be used for a wide range of applications. Easy to maintain and simple mechanical linkage. Powder-coated finish for durability. Suitable even for lifted trucks. 1-year manufacturer warranty. What don't we like about it? Not as stable as other jack types. Operation requires stringent safety precautions. Number 2. Tauren Big Red Hydraulic Bottle Jack. In true garage spot tradition, I'll start with the cheapest model on the list. The Tauren T90413 Hydraulic Bottle Jack. Although Tauren's model may not be designed especially for off-road applications, it is certainly up to the task thanks to forged alloy steel construction for superior strength. That's not all parts are meticulously welded together instead of being screwed, pardon my French, to prevent anything from loosening up further down the line. The devil is in the details. At just 7.53 high, the T90413 looks relatively small, but don't let the compact size fool you. It can effortlessly lift up to 8,000 pounds, balanced safely on the heat-treated saddle surface. What we like about it? Serrated saddle surface for optimum grip. Hydraulic system uses high-quality oils for longevity. Extremely cheap. Welded seams provide leak-free operations. Integrated overload safety valve. Comes with a plastic carrying case for portability. What don't we like about it? Not specifically built for off-road applications. Only suitable for light trucks. Number 3. ARB 483 Jack Hydraulic Lift Recovery. ARB is back with another great product, a farm-style jack like High Lift. Only this time, it is a hydraulic model specially designed for off-road recovery operations. Yes, that's right, what looks like an oversized ultra-modern bicycle air pump is actually an innovative off-road jack capable of lifting over 4,400 pounds to a maximum height between 28 to 48. All you have to do is mount the adjustable foot at the right spot and operate the hand crank lever to start lifting. The hydraulic system will take care of the rest. What we like about it? Lightweight and compact off-road jack. Specially designed for off-road recovery operations. Polyethylene base available for purchase. Sleek design and attractive anodized finish uses opulence. Adjustable foot provides greater flexibility. What don't we like about it? Costs more than other models. Farm-style jacks are inherently less stable. Jack may sink into loose surfaces due to the smaller footprint. Number 4. Cat Big Wheel Off-Road Hybrid Jack. It's no secret that floor jacks are the best type of jacks out there for nearly all automotive applications. However, rocky terrain and the presence of obstacles found in most off-road environments means regular floor jacks with those tiny casters just won't cut it. To solve this problem, Cat developed an innovative solution. It replaced the small caster with massive composite wheels, significantly improving maneuverability over tricky surfaces without risking getting stuck somewhere. What we like about it? Skid plate at the bottom prevents damage and provides support. Unique hybrid aluminum steel body. Large composite wheels for better maneuverability. Included adapter for extra lift height. 1-year limited warranty. What don't we like about it? Not the most compact model out there. Number 5. ARB Orange Bushranger X Jack Kit. More often than not when off-roading, you will come across loose surfaces like sand, slush, or snow. Chances of getting stuck when driving over such surfaces are significantly greater, and when the inevitable finally happens, traditional jacks will simply keep sinking into the ground. Enter the ARB Bushranger X jack, an off-road jack specially designed to get you out of sticky situations, pun intended. Simply stick that thing under your truck, inflate it, and voila. What we like about it? Collapses flat for easy storage and transportation. Perfect for sand, mud, snow, or other loose surfaces. Unique two-way inflation system. Kit comes with all required accessories. Comes with a patch kit to fix any punctures. What don't we like about it? Using the exhaust to inflate the balloon can take a long time. Large footprint not suitable for small off-roaders. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.